Welcome back. So now we'll go into creativity and innovation. What is creativity and what is innovation? First, let's see what is creative thinking. Creative thinking is just fresh perspective, like the way of looking at problems or situations from a fresh perspective, like a new way, looking from a different angle, looking at the same problem from different 360 angles. That's creative thinking. So, creative thinking can be stimulated by like both ways. Understanding process such as brainstorming, you can do it. Structural process such as literal thinking, you can do it, and you can build this thinking. And creative thinking is making something new, like Apple did with the Apple products. Steve Jobs created something new with simplicity, using critical thinking, first principles, all these thinking skills he used, making something new, and he gave worlds like best. It became first $1 trillion company, and this might be a picture. Like for example, if you're making a new picture, it can be a piece of music or a new idea or Apple iPhone or anything. It can be like looking at things from a different perspective, coming up with innovative and creative products. And it can be anything creative, and solving these specific problems. Creative thinking, therefore, is ability to think differently. There was a think different campaign also by Steve Jobs. It is world's famous. You can go and search it on YouTube. Think different campaign. It is world's famous marketing campaign, and it made Apple company a $1 trillion company. And to see a problem or an issue from new angle or perspective, it is like creative thinking is that kind of. So Steve Jobs was a creative genius. So he looked at the same problems from a different angle. This often allows you to find new solutions. When you look at different problems from different angles, it will help you to give new solutions for the problem. Even you see that problem does not necessarily need to be a solution, though it not be a solution, but you will have a different perspective. So most of the times you will get solutions for that problem. Life is 360. We also need to have 360 approach, creative approach to solve these problems. So there are many people who ask why not. That is one of the tool that you will go to the source of the problem and understand it, come up with new solutions, different solutions. There are natural problem solvers and innovators. They are natural, but we need to inculcate. Who are not creative, be creative. Learn creativity, learn critical thinking, learn innovation. What is innovation? Understand the concept. Benefits of creativity is encourages curiosity, creativity, reinforcement, problem solving ability. It is a multi-facet practice, like it fosters independence. It is a skill for life, not just learning. So learn, like when you practice creativity, like in any field, music or any painting, architect, anything, you solve problems through different approaches. You naturally inculcate and develop creative thinking, and you come up with innovative solutions through creativity. And this is how they are compatible. Innovation comes after creativity. When you connect dots, innovation happens. But the process is creativity. Like you connect dots, dots are there. You connect it to creativity. There is a product. It is innovative product, like Steve Jobs did it with Apple company. So we'll go to the next video, which is creative skills. What are creative skills? So that we'll learn it and we'll be more creative solve world's best problems and solve our own problems, whatever problems we are facing through creativity, critical thinking, first principles. So I'm giving you so much of golden nuggets which I have learned over 15 years. You should be excited to learn and relearn and write down a Trustpilot review on below and write your comments below what you have learned new and how you are going to be creative, and do research about your subject, your creative skill, and go deeper into